Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to share how to navigate and use the General tab on the medical history screen on myGC. The General tab covers basic questions such as how much the patient smokes, consumes alcohol or recreational drugs, as well as how much exercise is performed weekly by the patient. In this video, we will start on the medical history screen, General tab. For more information regarding the medical history screen, please refer to the medical history screen, navigation and use user manual, linked in this video's description. We will now go over the various fields displayed on this tab. Please note that below each question will be a text field where you may add additional notes regarding each respective section. Click on the cigarettes per day drop-down menu and select the amount of cigarettes that you smoke a day if applicable. Next, click on the alcoholic drinks per week drop-down menu and select the relevant option. Click on the average hours exercise per week drop-down menu and choose the amount of exercise hours done each week if applicable. Now, click on the select recreational drug use option drop-down menu and select any non-medical drug-related substance that you have consumed either currently or in the past. Lastly, the general notes consist of a free text field can be used by the patient to make any notes for future reference. Once done with the changes made, click on the Save General History button.